Top three things in my notebook this morning. Number one, equity volatility, the VIX. Number two, the German stock market, the DAX. And then number three, the price of gold relative to what interest rates are doing. So just to hit quickly on volatility, this was really the focus point of the early look note this morning. A series of higher lows and a breakout above the trend line. So again, we've been making higher lows on volatility on the front month for really since the August levels. So again, yeah, that's a problem, number one. Number two, the breakout above our intermediate term trend line, which is 1491 on the VIX, is a big problem. Of course, we closed at 1542 yesterday. So again, rising volatility would be a big bearish factor if it were to manifest or continue to manifest in the U.S. equity market for the next month or so. Point number two, the German DAX, which you know we sold our equity position in Germany from a real-time alerts perspective just because we got the sell signal, but you also got some follow-through on that because Germany now is broken from an immediate-term trade perspective. 91.48 is now resistance. That was support, and there's no support down to the trend line, and yes, we'd most likely buy it down there, but again, it's further versus where it's currently trading. It's just inside of 8,900 on the DAX. So again, we don't have to own everything. We can be in cash when we want to be, and again, we've been doing a pretty good job of managing the risk of these ranges, if I might say so myself. Finally, on gold, which is exactly the point, 2 days ago we sold the gold position because it banged the top end of the risk range, which is 1260. Again, when rates went up, which is in the last 24 hours, you've seen the 10-year bond yield back up 4 basis points. Gold does what? It goes down. Gold goes down when rates go up. You know that. That's been happening for about a year now. And again, we're not going to be willfully blind to that just because theoretically we could like gold from the right level. And again, that right level is closer to 1216 to be clear in terms of where we'd be interested in buying it back. So those are your top three things.